Daniel's got his own problems. Whilst all the other teams have 2 bedrooms upstairs, Daniel and Jade decided to add a 3rd bedroom, making theirs the only 5-bedroom house on the block. But Daniel has just realised that the 3rd bedroom is at risk because the existing windows don't open for airflow.
Thank you. How are you, mate?
Dan, how you going, mate? How are you?
This is not the kitchen.
Not the kitchen, mate, but you know me, I'm always thinking of what's next. So I'm just a bit stuck on this area. The question is, how do I get airflow into a bedroom here?
So are you trying to make this space another bedroom?
Correct,
Is that
yes.
what we're doing?
Yeah, planned as a bedroom, but yeah, just now I've just realised that there's not actually any airflow in here.
That is correct. There is no airflow, and unfortunately that whole roof above us is full of solar panels, so we can't have a skylight opening up onto a solar panel, unfortunately.
The only way I can sort of see going forward is we might have to put a window into one of the walls, but...
Window? Adding a window?
Yeah, I don't like it when we both say that, though. You did it again.
Yep. I'm just already thinking possible council amendment, which could take months if we need it. Structural integrity of adding a window. Mate, you're a good planner. Why is it only coming to our attention right now? I cannot believe Daniel from House 3 has just come up to me and asked me to add a window or a skylight to a room that he wants to turn into a bedroom. This is something you think about in week 1 or week 2 of the block, which is what I would expect from Daniel, not week 6.
We had the vision for what we wanted to do in this space, and maybe look, I'll be honest, it slipped past me, and I'm gutted by it because, you know, we had big hopes for up here. But yeah, it's just probably now I'm just trying to figure out what I can do and what I can't do going forward, because it could potentially change this space up here for what we have to try and do. If we can't put that window in, it'll be a big knock to what we've done in that whole space to be able to create a 5-bedroom house. Very big oversight on my behalf.
Mate, all you can do right now is draw this up, proper drawing. I'll get it sent off to Julian Brenchley, the architect, ASAP, because we need this urgently.
Yeah.
If we're to get this done.
Yeah.
1 hour later.
Howdy, Dan. How you going, mate? They doing a good job up there, are they?
Looking all right.
I might take the smile off your face.
Why is that?
Oh, me drawings, matey. I don't know what you want on here. I've been up to the space and just measured out where my studs are up on that wall. So where that window is, where I think it can go in without disrupting the bracing, but, you know, without more detailed plans than that.
Now, I did ask for no kids' plans.
Yeah, mate.
It looks like I've got a kid plan again.
All right, mate. No, all right. Don't worry about it, buddy. Thanks, Dan. Much appreciated, mate.
It needs to be a proper drawing.
Yep.
And I need an elevation of that wall.
Yep, no dramas. Thanks, Dan.
What just happened then?